Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video shares my personal experience with the tool we're exploring today. We're taking a look at USARx Care, found online at USARxcare.com. This online platform offers a way to potentially save money on prescription medications. While I haven't personally used their service to fill a prescription, I've spent some time exploring their website and learning how it works. It appears to function as a prescription discount card program. You can search for your medication and see what discounted prices they offer at pharmacies near you. The website highlights the potential for significant savings, and they emphasize that their service is free to use. They also mention additional benefits, such as discounts on pet medications. From what I can gather, USARx Care doesn't directly sell medications. Instead, it provides a discount card that you can present at participating pharmacies to receive a lower price. It's important to note that these are not insurance benefits, and using USARx Care likely won't count towards your deductible or out-of-pocket maximums if you have health insurance. Their website offers a search function where you can input your medication and location to find the best available discounts. They also provide a pharmacy locator tool to help you find participating pharmacies in your area. It's worth mentioning that the specific discounts can vary depending on the medication and the pharmacy. Before using any discount program like USARx Care, it's always a good idea to compare their prices with other options, including your insurance copay if you have coverage, the cash price at your usual pharmacy, and prices offered by competing discount card providers. Doing your research will ensure you get the best possible price on your prescriptions. USARx Care also appears to offer a mobile app, which might provide a convenient way to access your discount card and search for medication prices while on the go. While my review is based solely on their online information, it seems like a resource worth investigating if you're looking to reduce your prescription drug costs. Remember to consult with your doctor or pharmacist about any medications you are taking. Again, find all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.